Can you guys hear me? Yeah. Oh, yeah, here we go. So, for those, most of you guys know me. The ones who don't, I'm Dr. Cheyenne Bryant. I'm the president of your local NAACP here in San Pedro and Wilmington. I just want to let everybody know that this Unity March was extremely important. Why? Because this is the deal. We cannot continue to lock horns with the folks that we are asking for justice from. At some point, we have to lock hands. Yes. We have to sit at the table and have a conversation. We have to make sure they take accountability. Yes. We cannot allow them to just protect us as protesters to the community, but we have to allow them to serve us. Every officer that's in uniform does not represent those 4 heartless officers in Minnesota. That's what's important. Do they have the same uniform? Absolutely. But do they have the same heart? Most don't. And so it was very important for me to see the LAPD come out here and not just say they share our pain, but to show us they share our pain. You share our pain? March with us. Kneel with us. Speak with us. Be in community with us. And that's exactly what Harbor Division said they would do, without a doubt. When I got on the call with Sergeant Plows, I didn't even have to give her my vision. When she spoke about her vision for the community, it happened. I already had it on my heart to do a march. I had a young man by the name of JoJo who I had a There you go, JoJo. It's coming. It's coming, baby. JoJo and I met a few years back when he was a senior at San Pedro High School, and he was going through some tribulations in his life. And the Boys and Girls Club called me and said, Doc, we know that you're in the field of psychology. Can you come talk to this amazing young man? I said, absolutely. When I got there, JoJo was distraught. He was upset. And there was a lot going on. I sat down. I had a 2-hour conversation with JoJo about how to play chess, about the game of life, about things happen in life. But if you want to be able to get up here at some point and tell your story and be the change for other people, then you got to be able to put your head down and just strut forward sometimes, because that's what life's about. After our 2-hour conversation, I stood up, JoJo stood up, and I just gave him a hug. And I think JoJo cried in my arms for about a good 15, 20 minutes with no words, just all tears. And that was a moment that we shared. And from that day forward, I think it was about 8 months later, I was getting awarded Women of the Year, and they called my name. True story. I got a text message on my phone when they called my name, and it was JoJo that sent me a picture of him and I think a teacher from his graduation that said, Dr. Bryant, I did it. And in that moment, I had tears, and they thought it was because I was winning an award. It was because JoJo was winning an award. And that's what it's about. So I want to thank everybody for coming out, and I want everyone to understand that Black Lives Matter. But this is about every minority, black and brown. This is about all of us. This is about Black lives. This is about Latinos for Black lives. This is about Black folks for brown lives. That's what it's about at the end of the day. So you guys don't know how amazing you all look here together as community. And so really quick, we are going to have someone sing the national anthem. And while Danielle Lumpkins sings the national anthem, we're going to have everybody kneel. Everybody's going to prop a knee while she sings it, in honor of Colin Kaepernick, who already said that this is what he fought for years ago, and the community didn't understand it, but today we understand it. So as we have Danielle sing the national anthem, I want everyone, community and LAPD, to take a kneel.